Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to log into your YRDSB, which means York Region District School Board. For this, you need to open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, now bring up the search bar and type in YRDSB employee login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link www.yrdsb.ca. Click on that link. Now, you'll be taken to the official site of YRDSB. Scroll down a bit. Now here, you'll be able to see the login button, which is login. Now, click on that link. Again, you'll be taken to the new interface. Now here, you need to enter the email and click on next. Similarly, enter your password over here. And once you click on the sign in button, you'll be able to access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on Forgot My Password. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.